Pink plus green equals violet. Wait, what? This and more fun discoveries during our 30-day color mixing challenge. Get ready to play with colors. Welcome to this challenge class where we'll create extensive color swatches and charts and explore key color schemes like monochromatic, complementary, and analogous. We'll also experiment with different primary color sets to mix a wide range of hues including skin tones, greens, purples, earthy and muted colors, blacks, pastels, and even metal colors. I will also share with you sample paintings where each color scheme was used. Each demo video is around 5 minutes, making it perfect for busy artists. By the end of this class, you'll have a deeper understanding of color theories, learn how to mix vibrant and harmonious colors, and build a regular art routine. Hi, I'm Bianca Lustre, and I will be your teacher for today. I've been working with watercolor since 2018, and my current obsession is color mixing. In fact, to reward those who will complete this challenge, I have created this Color Wheels ebook where I mixed and matched different sets of primary colors and expanded them, which you can use as a guide in designing your own limited palette. Find out how to get your copy in the next video.